Releasing the benefits of the cloud. I had the responsibility of designing and delivering technology solutions in some of the largest financial institutions and payment companies. I have been in organizations like HSBC, Barclays and HSBC. I have seen many changes. I have seen many changes. Decisions organizations are facing right now. There is now a real commitment to designing payment systems for deployment in the cloud and moving away from cumbersome legacy software running on proprietary servers and proprietary servers and mainframes. I used to have to start my conversations with customers by explaining why we should use the cloud. And now the conversations begin with analysis of the return on investment from the cloud. As organizations have accepted that maintaining their operation on proprietary hardware is putting them at a competitive benefits of the cloud. There are significant benefits that those responsible for technology need to be aware of. I often highlight these as the main elements for creating a business case to move to the cloud. The principal benefits are: first, hardware costs. Quite simply, cloud containers are cheaper than mainframes and HP nonstop tandems, but can deliver the same levels of reliability and scalability. Second, flexibility. You can now access off-the-shelf infrastructure components that can be utilized in a payment system. This avoids the need to build handcrafted components associated with the legacy world. Third, skills and experience. The use of standard solutions and components means that there are more people available with the skills to develop in the cloud than there are developers for legacy systems. Avoiding the need for redundant DR. Half of the cost of an existing system is redundant DR, but distributing a cloud solution across multiple cloud availability zones and regions eliminates this requirement. Fifth, capacity issues. Utilizing elastic scalability in the cloud avoids the need for spare hardware capacity, which is purchased years in advance. Transitioning to cloud technology. The popular misconception is that moving to the cloud is difficult and complicated. The challenges of moving are people and process, not technology. The lack of awareness about how you work differently in the cloud is what slows projects down, but when you've spent years doing this, as we have at Renovite, then the process is well-drilled and efficient. As an example, we work with a transaction processor in the US that now uses the Reno Switch and Reno Recon products. And in the future, managing the pace of change is one of the biggest headaches for directors in financial services. Those responsible for technology are managing the pace of change on mission-critical applications that were built using architectures originating in the 1980s that are now quite brittle as a result of continuous modification and extension. This will not end well if people don't adapt, as it can jeopardize systems and even careers. As complex new transaction types arise, the ability to be adaptable in the future is just as important as the ability to cope now. At present, every change in the system puts at risk all existing transactions currently being processed. The dated systems are easy to break, as we have seen with recent high-profile failures in retail banks. The future lies in systems which can orchestrate multiple changes through rules rather than code changes. This will involve configuration and not engineering.